It's that time of the year again. Youth Conference 2013. Theme, Taking Jesus to the World.
Come on!
Ministering, Musa Kendi.
When we get fed the word of God and we don't move, we become religious. What does religious mean? It means you know about God, but you don't know God. And then if you don't know God, you're introducing people to something that is false.
Tumelo Rasibubie.
And life is a double-sided coin, ladies and gentlemen. There are only two options to pick from. Either you're building on Christ or on your own sinful desires. At the end of the day, when you are faced with life, whatever choice you make, it's either you choose life or you choose death.
And this is the truth right here. As a young person, never allow no one, nobody. I don't care the credentials, I don't care the title. Nobody must tell you that something cannot be done. Because surely, if you put your mind in it.
And Pastor Chris Matebula.
You don't need programs of self-discipline to train you how to handle yourself as a young person, as a young woman. All that you need a new mind. You need a mind that can be transformed. And when your mind is transformed, your whole body will follow.
Guest artist, Hayam Tetwa. And many more local talents. Moha 2013 from 20th to the 23rd of June right here at Hope Restoration Ministries. You don't want to miss it.